Next is the ridge. I strongly suggest that you talk it through and do a couple practice rounds before you put it in right away.
You go up first?
Yeah. Especially if there's decorative on it, it gets quite heavy. So Greg, you're going to take it up and over top of your peak. I'm going to slide mine in. So I'm in. So as I mentioned before, our vertical gable bars, I left a little gap so the ridge would fit in easier. So you're going to need to go down these bars and make sure they're all tight. So now that we got our ridge in, I could put my above door bar in. You need a washer in with your nut and bolt for your peak. First, just your standard pre-dunk can go on the bottom. And then your nut and bolt with the washer is gonna go through your end rafter. And it's gonna tie into each of these. Just like so.